grand. Is he on crack? Oh my god. That are becoming real shady now. Hey y'all, it's Dealership Adventures back. Today we go check out cars, bid on them right after we see what it is, and you know, just enjoy ourselves. So if y'all enjoy this type of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe. This Corolla I was interested in for about 5 seconds. Yeah, it looks real good, right? Then we get over here and it says not actual miles, and you're like, yeah, you know, whatever. But look, it looks good, it looks good, it looks good, it looks good, and then freaking half of it's missing. I don't even understand who. And then I was like, you know what, dude? You know what? I'm gonna still give this car a chance. I really was. I really wanted to. And then I went to reach for the key, or the remnants of it, I guess. We have, yes, sir. Will it start? Got my little blade here. Now, oh boy. Oh my God, this is the hardest. Oh heck, come on. Is it now? Oh, now it's just, I'm not even touching the key. What the hell is this? No. It's, the starter's cranking by itself. I guess we're gonna leave this car alone. Roll with the blade key. And people are, so look at this. People are going at it. This damage alone is like $1,000 to fix, dude. And $2 grand for it already. What are y'all gonna do with this car, dude? They're still going. Dude, I would have, if that damage wasn't there and it was not actual miles, just as it stands, I would have paid $2,500 for it. And with this damage, they're paying $2,900. This is insane. These are my most favorite cars, because they sell in Macon. But the thing is, this has really low miles, and believe me, there's gonna be some idiot that's gonna pay like $3 grand for this. Watch. But I mean, look, and keep in mind, the paint is, look, the clear coat's coming off right here. I'm not sure if y'all are able to tell, but y'all see that? Clear coat's coming off. Over here too. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's a pretty nice car. Someone was just in here. Is it on? Oh yeah, it's dude, I couldn't even tell it was running. It was that quiet. Now it needs gas. And check engine light. Let's check out what it is. We're reading codes here. Let's check if the sunroof works. Hell yeah. Now, and I don't think y'all understand how hot it is outside today, but this AC is just ice cold. Like, it's genuinely like making me feel cold. But overall, it runs real nice. This is taking its sweet time to scan. Oh look, it just did it. One code. Let's see what it has. Coolant thermostat below. Coolant thermostat temperature below. That's not too serious, honestly. This is something that wouldn't really impact me buying this car, and this is something I'm very interested in. So yeah, we'll keep this on the watch list and just hurry up and get moving. We don't have much time left.
16 and 16 now 18 19 19 19 19 and 21 21 and 21 so 2000 number 18
I can't believe I completely missed this car. Let me show y'all this gem. 2009 Honda Accord, usually way too expensive for me, right? Y'all gotta see the miles. 325,000. And look, when you can see it's been maintained. Do you see these seats? These look like 300,000 mile seats. No, this is a one owner Georgia car. 2 accidents, yes, but it's freaking, and it just passed emissions 2 months ago. So let's see how much it goes. Starting at $2 grand. Is he on crack? Oh my God. Dude, I swear to God, these people are on crack. There's no way they're not on crack. This is ridiculous. 3,300. Everybody drives. Everybody drives. That dude's not going to be driving for long. I know that. Look at this, y'all. It's a freaking 1994 Lincoln Town Car. And hey, I need y'all to understand how beautiful this car is. Holy crap. Look at this leather. Green leather, green dash, this wood trim, freaking green steering wheel. an all electronic dash back in 94, and it all works. Look at this. This car is beautiful, man. Now here's the thing about this car. It has a little bit of a paint spot. Yeah, the paint and everything is rubbing. It's faded, but the body is real good. And that big V8. Yeah, these were reliable cars back in the day when Ford made good cars. But yeah, let's continue walking around and we're gonna try to bid on this car. Let's go. I wasn't able to screen record this part, but it went up to 1,000 and I bid 1,000. Someone bid 1,100, I bid 1,200, and then I wasn't able to screenshot the rest, but this sold for 1,500 as well. And I couldn't justify paying 1,500 for this car. I want to look at this gem over here, 1990 Nissan Maxima with 131,000 miles. Fun fact, this is the first car my dad ever bought me. Well, it was in 1989, and it looked much, much worse than this. But it sounds kind of weird. Oh, did y'all see that seatbelt? Oh no, dude. Let's watch this come back up. Hold on. Ooh, royal service. But look at this, y'all. Sounds real good. This beautiful, real vinyl wood. But handbrake is on. It went into reverse just fine, moves backwards. These were real reliable. And it goes into drive too. These were real reliable Maximas. And y'all, we have power and comfort mode. Oh no. How? Whoa, that red light lights up power. Comfort light doesn't light up. Oh man. But yeah, this is a real nice car. Do y'all see how clean this is for a 1990? And a sunroof. Does it open? Look at these controls. And it works. A 30-year-old sunroof, y'all. And last quirk and feature I want to show y'all about this car, if this one has it. Look, once I turn it off, you can't pull the key out. There's a button right. Hold on, let me move this. See that button? You have to hold it to take it out. And that's the quirk I learned from owning one of these. Next thing I want to show y'all, look at this key. It's freaking red for power. Y'all already know. This is one fast car. Or race mode. But yeah, let's continue moving on. I'm sorry, y'all. My door handle inside this, and my seatbelt moved forward for me, y'all. This is freaking Rolls Royce level service. I don't even know what y'all be doing. Yeah, let's continue.
Hey, plan, we're going to be able to find now 600, 800, 800, 899, 899, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 12, 13, and 12, 13, 14, 14, 13, but now 15, 15, 15, 16, and 15, 15, 16, 15, 16, 15, 16, 15, 16, sold 1,500, number 85, equal to number 29.
Are about to come up, and this auction is literally running in the same AirPod that I'm recording on. But again, another car, no key. The key, there is a key inside, but it's not for this car. It's ridiculous. There's a whole bunch of people that are becoming real shady. This car had the wrong key in it. I tried to start it, the key wouldn't turn, do anything, but apparently it's running. Look, they have it running. And it looks decent, I guess. The seats are pretty nice too. It's not actual miles, and the funny thing is, look, it's literally lived in Maryland all its life. Look, its auto check says not actual miles, but Maryland, it's gonna be rusted through. Look at this, Maryland, Maryland, Maryland. Right now it says it has 150,000 miles, and I'm led to believe that this is actually somewhat accurate. So let's see how much this key doesn't work. And people are still bidding this high. They're not going to provide you another key. They've lost that key. And I don't know, man. Well, what's the key? The not actual miles. The fact that it's probably rusted through. 2,000 bucks. The video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And again, if y'all enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.